When I first started out in real estate, I was the worst realtor you could possibly imagine, okay? I went 45 days in trying to generate leads, cold call, attempt open houses, and I only got one appointment as a traditional realtor, okay? And then that client bailed on me. So I was literally thinking about giving up on real estate until I discovered this sub niche within the real estate industry that allowed me to close deals and make a full-time income from home, okay? And this sub niche is called apartment locating. Okay, so if you've never heard of the apartment locating industry before, then definitely hear me out. For 45 days as a realtor, when I first started out, I didn't close a single home or generate more than a couple appointments, okay? For 45 days. The first week I started as an apartment locator, I closed 3 clients and netted $4,000 in a single day, thanks to this business model. So basically, in a nutshell, all you do as an apartment locator is you post advertisements organically, so no paid ads, the best apartment complex deals in your city, okay? Because the whole job revolves around brokering everyday apartment complex rentals, right? And so when these leads contact you, all you're doing is you're naturally picking up your phone, responding to them, sending them an email with 10 relevant apartment options, and then your clients or these leads, they tour your options that you send to them alone on their time, right? And then when they apply to the apartment and list you on the application, you earn 1 to 2 months rent, right? So that's the whole business model. It's so unbelievably simple. I don't know why I'm the only one talking about it on the internet, because thanks to this industry, it allowed me to continue and advance my career in real estate without quitting, since I totally bombed as a traditional realtor. But I'm way happier right now, right? Because I work within a sub niche that no one really knows about, and I help my clients find everyday rentals, like renting a typical apartment complex. So the whole process is much more laid back compared to helping someone buy a home, okay? Because buying a home is such a bigger deal than renting an apartment. So the work we do as an apartment locator is just so much easier, and I could just go on and on and on for hours, right? So before I ramble on some more about how much I love the apartment locating industry and how it's the coolest brand new opportunity within 2020 as a real estate agent, I'm just going to go ahead and invite you into my webinar, because all you got to do is just click the button below, register for my in-depth webinar where we're going to take a deeper dive into exactly what the heck the apartment locating industry is, how we generate clients for free, how we invoice properties for our referrals, how it's a free service to our clients. So it's like, how could you not get clients if you're offering a free service? There's just so many positives, and we're going to cover all of this, and I will prove to you that this is a very, very undervalued business model today. So if you'd like to learn more about how to leverage this industry as a real estate agent and earn a full-time income, then I invite you to click the button below, register for my webinar, and I hope to see you inside of the apartment locating webinar. Thank you so much.